Ever since we've got the C10 on the road, we've noticed it's been really hard to stop lately. So we took the tires off and noticed that there was fluid all over the brakes. And we know it's not brake fluid, and we saw it leaking from the rear axle seals. So in today's video, we're replacing the rear axle seals.
Welcome to Fixing Tube.
So the reason we know it's not any of the brake lines is because if you look here, there's no fluid coming out of these, and in the back over here, there's no leaks in the brake hoses. So, but if you look, oh goodness, if you look right here, there is junk all over it. And if we come down here, yeah. Oh, it's all over my hand.
Yeah, touched your leg to it too.
Oh, great. Yeah.
Can I get a screwdriver?
That's not supposed to be there, so.
You need a flathead? Yeah.
Harrison's about to take that off, and we're gonna drain the fluid into that. I mean, most of it's gonna hit the ground. We're only gonna get like a couple of fluid in there, so yeah.
No fluid should come out. Benny, can you come over here and help your brother?
How?
Crawl over here on this other side and... Is the brake line in the way? And bada bing. Beautiful.
Both wheels.
This one, right? Yeah, this one. Yeah, take that.
Do I need to hold it?
I don't think holding. I think it went. Give me some. Yeah, give me some. Yeah, it broke free. So you gotta take this bolt out since nobody else wants to explain it. You gotta take this bolt out as a part of the process. Full disclosure, we had to watch a video before we did it, so I've watched somebody else do it. Why won't you be transparent? Transparency. It was wanting to spin, so Bennett held the drive shaft a little bit to create some tension, and then Harrison
kind of pulled against them.
And then
pushed,
so he's going to take that bolt out, which is going to free up another pin style bolt. Pulling this little clip out is going to allow us to take the to push the axles in and take the C clip out, so we can then take the axles out and replace the seal. There's obviously a way it needs to go in. Okay. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to take these... Here, line it up so we can see what's going on in there. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take these spider gears out. No, I'm not taking the gears out. You have to. No, you don't. You're going to push the axle in, and I can't do it without... See, that's the end of the axle right there. Right here. It's the end of the axle. Yeah, you're going to push the axle in a hair, and it's going to allow you to pop that C clip out off of it. And once you pop that C clip off, then that'll free the axle up to be able to pull it out. And you got one on both sides. So that's the... These are the two axles. Those are the two axles.
And then for ease of not losing your parts and whatnot, you can take the pin that we just took out and kind of put everything back in place just so nothing else accidentally comes loose. So you don't have to realign anything. All right.
The guy I saw, he said to pull these out.
Okay, well.
And then you get these out, and then pull those out, and then...
Well, we're gonna work smart, not hard. And the one I watched, that's all he did. Bennett, can you push that axle in, please?
Push the axle in.
Uh-huh.
What you mean by that?
The round part that the lugs are attached to. Push it in.
Oh.
There you go. See how it popped off?
Twist it.
Now turn it.
Oh, here we
There
go.
you go. Okay.
Now
it should enable you to pull the whole axle.
Want me to?
Out. Hang on a second. Let me crawl my old self out. I'm not surprised these young bucks don't get it.
All right, yeah, keep it off the ground. Keep the dirt off of it.
So
Okay.
where do I put it?
Two-hand it. You can
the
set it
tire?
on top of the tire. Yeah, that's fine. Don't let any two hands touch the ground. You're gonna have to probably grab it with your grab the shaft. There you go. Grab the axle. Keep on pulling it. Try to straighten it up. Straighten it up. Straighten it up. Kick it up.
It's heavy.
Okay. But you keep it off yourself if you can help it. Okay. Well.
Yeah.
Pretty nasty. And then, so this is the axle seal right here. That's gonna have to be taken off and replaced. And while we're doing that, we can look at the bearings on the inside and see what they look like.
So now we're just ever so slightly, gently tippy tapping this in. All right, round 2. What is this, round 3? Round 6.
Right there. Oh, your stuff is in here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's make a place for it.
Mm-hmm. You want me to see it and give it a ring? Oh boy, your finger's getting too fat for it. Is it in?
Yeah.
Just don't rotate it. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Next. One's done. And we caught this one before it leaks. Before it leaked. Ugh. This one looks fairly decent. Almost. Yeah, this one's pretty decent. Insertion. Bennett, do you want to go under there and reach down in that fluid and grab the C-clip and put it in?
What does the C-clip look like?
Exactly what it sounds like.
Exactly what we're doing. Pin and all that stuff back in.
Well, can I do it?
Huh?
Can I do it or I'm not?
You can if you want to.
Wow.
Ben Harrison, did you see how that pin goes in? Yeah. Can you get up under there and show him how to do it? Okay, go ahead.
Now rotate the pin until it lines up and the bolt goes in. No other pin.
Now all that's left is to put some gear oil back in it and change the brake pads, because apparently gear oil on brake pads can cause them to separate. So we'll be changing those in the future. But for now, do us a favor, click here to subscribe and click here to watch this video because I think you'll like it. But until then, see you guys next time.